because we left with that. I wish I had the skill for, but I don't. Sadly. What's it? For GTA 7. I think GTA 7 will come before GTA 6. Developed by young people, of course. And the last one was Cohesion Shape. What's this? Unlimited. Get like man. Oh. I don't think I need. I'm gonna play with it too, something like night maker. Yeah, don't try. Have a good night. Masks here. So it's just idle animation. I think it's 32 times 32. Which how is it? Eyes. Is it like oh wait. First will be like that. Maybe I should just do it. Correct all at 11 frame. It's a play button. Your frog jump. Oh, like that. That's so tiny. But is this like some sort of random? No? I'd say I'm just like notice like that one. And just like that. Looking better already. So I'm just gonna put 20. Maybe it's 15. Yeah, 15 seems fine. But wait, I might. I just need something like to edit that shit. Bunch up here percent 35. I just check not background like this. Yeah, I think that was it. And I guess I can just like create it. It's not an issue. Where was it? Scale. Good. It just think like that. Let's do that. Okay. Good. Should be some sort of collision shape. Open the rectangle. So uneasy just drive the area to reach it better. Design shape. Like yes. I should modify this one. China. Harriet. Really. With all these side. Next case. Artificial around shapes. Didn't collide with something. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're doing this. Is it adding this one? That's fun. I will play this by 2. Just going like that. No shame. Good. I guess I found just animate. Let's spread options. Wait. Oh, I can create multiple animation. And I can just try it like that. But how can I add like that? Open. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is one thing to need to enable. What was it? Yeah, that was text. That was not. Bro, where is this? What's this thing? Maybe that's character. Good transform. Visibility. Texture. Yeah, that was nearest. And if I put it like... Okay, might be too much. Like time still seems good. Shade. Shape must be provided. I guess it's just gonna be like upsell either. Like that. Then okay. Station. Dude, I'm like, I don't understand. Okay, so I will need collision shape like that. And if I say collision shape on this one, I guess that would just be transform fish. I guess is wait, is it gonna take like the whole space? Like if it's like that, first of all, we don't see the animation, but that's one other thing. Only serve private colors, just it. So change of area to give some shape. I heard when I get like arrows It's so annoying, man. So annoying. Continue. Oh, here is physics. Um, this. This should be something like that. Let me know at this part. I'm just gonna put like everything. Hey, what's this? Okay, so basically, I am learning Godot and I'm making a game at the same time. And the idea after is to make like a true game in Godot. A game I can put like on Steam or something like that. That's the overall idea of why am I making this. And as I'm learning, I'm like, oh, let's stream. So people are gonna come, they might like it, they might not, we'll see. Okay, so we'll get the physics now. Oh man. Yeah, it's always crashing. Is it just because the PC can't handle it or another reason? Nice, what happened to me? Oh well. Godot, the game I'm making is just a basic one. You'll mostly see to learn, which is a basic platformer. But the back is, you really have a lot of things. So I think it will take me a while. And the goal after is to make a 3D game with, I don't know, I have no idea still, but maybe based on a series, because one of my friends had this idea of making a game based on a series. So yeah, make it. Why and how and when Godot is Godot? You lost me. You lost me. Where was I already? So we have the physics now. Okay. Oh. Where's the physics? I'm so lost on Godot. I used to like got a bit in Unity, but dude, that's so different. The node system and everything. So I'm really lost on it. Is this software free or does Jones to provide you? No, Godot is free for everyone. That's why I'm using it. And my school doesn't give me any license. We have to buy everything. The only thing we have from school is like YouTube Copilot, but I don't use AI. I also have nothing. Was it work? Oh. Well, before when that was going well. Oh. Annoying. Yeah, I think he took some crazy things. He took like, I don't know, maybe vodka, gin, jet 27. I don't know what the name like in English. I know the French names, but I don't know English ones. Oh. Like I can move everything, but I can't modify anything, right? That's why I'm gonna go crazy. Going crazy after. Wait, that was just like that? Are you kidding? It's okay, it's okay. Everything's fine. Okay. We should have also collisions now. But how can I test it? Because yeah, like it's cool to have collisions, but it would be better to like test collisions. Maybe on my character. Like just move the character. Okay, like that. Just like to add a type of gravity on it. Collision. Physics. Extrapolation. Gravity. Oh. Got it. Where's collision? Accelerate pictures GTA and a classic vibe Godot. Yeah. This is a. I swear I'm sure some people are just saying this type of prompt. Like, make YouTube, please make noise. I am sure some people really did that. Like, they asked some AI, I don't even remember the name. It was something like emergent, I think. Okay, what is collision? Oh, apparently, if we just like on the character body and like just attach a script, add a body, basic movement, just do that. Okay, yeah, it adds gravity. Everything now. It adds collision. Why is everyone asking me this? Why? Everyone's saying, are you gay? Is what? That's crazy. Safe margin. Can't even put 0? Sucks. Think. Just do that. Like that? Yeah, like that. It's okay. Okay, so now we have the gravity of the player, which is correct. So this gravity, like, we don't care. Won't change anything. Okay. Oh. No on the script. Oh. It's like wait first, so okay, it's already better. What's the next thing that we can make? Maybe I should go for 50. I think 450 is great. No need to do more. I send my fans tired as when I want to sit down. Whoa. That's weird. You do drugs, you do alcohol, you have everything in your body. Oh yo. It's where you have you have crazy shit inside. Okay. Anyway, about this. No. Can add on the time map layer just this. Anyway, it won't change anything. Let's say we take this. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Seems great. But I think I will go back to 450 to just 400. Still fine. And I don't know, like the speed is too much. I don't know what to explain. And no, it's not enough. Gonna go crazy, bro. Okay, now let's make the run animation. I have no idea on how we're gonna make it. Wait. I thought I couldn't control the... I got so scared. So that's a good one. And what is? Okay, I think we're gonna keep it like that. It's good. Oh. Think like to make the other animation on the animated, we can like add another one. This one I'm gonna rename it to idle, and this one to run. And the run animation, so it's gotta be like this one, I guess. So the run animation, auto slice, select all. I think we're gonna put it like at 15. Okay, 15 is good. Like that. It's animation now. Yeah. Click on this one. Run animation in Godot. Run animation. No, I am not Deutsch, I swear. What are you? Are you? Bro. Every time I check the chat, I'm saying message deleted. Bro, what are you writing? Where does my phone have suicide? This is I don't even know what to say. That's just crazy. I swear that you're just driving me crazy, bro. Anyway, we got some animation here. Not an issue. It's not what I want. One animation to another. Godot. Animation player. Okay, so for example, if I go on the script and say like wait, how can I say it like physics process? That's not and move. When and review what? I don't even know, like direction. I don't know, is it even taking like a parameter? I don't even know. I just don't understand like how I can erase. It's like we have Godot. I'm gonna print it again. On Godot we have a basic function. I guess we can just make like another function which could be added like update animation. Why not we can, I think we're just gonna put it like that. Velocity at 0. Better if they have animate. Hey, we had when they else not play idle. Maybe that doesn't match the previous unit. What? What the fuck is going on with Godot? Or maybe... Oh, it doesn't make sense. Mixtures of types. Got it, like programming language. It's crazy. Expected end of file. Is it not end of file? Or maybe I do just need like put it as a start. No, it's maybe. Adding world. What in the world is it? Why in the world is it not going on? It's just, yeah, that just because Godot animation sucks. Okay, that's not an issue. It's just basic issue. Okay, so I ran. I think there is a little problem. I'm not sure. Is it because I didn't animate it for properly? Programming language is similar to Python. Yeah, that's got an official language. I could use C# in the end, but I wanted to test Godot programming language. But the tabulation thing is just pure dog shit, honestly. Much time took to learn it. I didn't learn it, so for now I guess pretty much 0. I don't, or something like that. Oh no, I'm just so yeah, of course. It won't work if I don't make this. But it doesn't flip now. But as you can see, dimensions are playing properly. Oh, how to make the character like flip? It would be something like if we have velocity. Let's try to H goes else H equal to okay, so okay, let's move. Do we just remove things, text and similar yeah, that's pretty yeah. So yeah, we are this and that is working, and it's crazy. I honestly at first I was like, I don't understand, I'm good. But now that I do understand how it's working, I'm like, Godot's so good. I think that was just the hardest part. It was to start with Godot. Now I guess it's time to make the jump animation. I'm curious about one can show like whether to make notes for cutting or just... I'd say when you start learning code, you should always take notes of what does this function make, how this works, and then work on these, make tests, function, make things, and once you learn this, you don't need to take notes anymore. Not as much as you used to do before. For example, when you start learning code, you know you should always take notes of basic things. Like, for example, in this Godot script, just make the if, check the const, the functions, like all these, how it works. But on every programming language, it's pretty much the same. Not the type, like float, what it returns. And once you're good with all these, then you can just take on very specific things. If I take an example in C you have the function which are different. I'm just gonna get these. For example, let's say we have printf, blah blah. Printf does have a lot of flags to know, like %d, %ls, %f, etc. It really has a lot, so you should learn this. Then it has malloc to allocate memory. It has a lot of things. So yeah, take notes, it's always useful. And I forgot where I was. And no problem, don't worry. we get this, we can add another animation, which would be jump, and we add not the wall jump, but the jump animation, which is just one photo slice. I mean, it just like the whole size, so I guess it's just gonna be 32 by 32. Then just add one frame. Plus always 15, and then if else if below cp.y equal count of 0, ooh, I think I'm just getting some errors. Where is it? Else if Godot. Oh, that's elif. Like that on I think. Elif. Where's it? Games not there is a bug. It is hard to find it fixing. We need an understanding of focus here. Yeah. I think the only thing AI won't be good at will be game programming. So you always need to know what is the code, where exactly does this function is, what line do you think it is, and what function. That's why you should always understand the code in every programming language, even in web, in anything, to fix errors really easy. But it's even more important in game programming, especially on the most known one. Unity, well, C#, C++ in Unreal, and JavaScript in Godot. That's the most known one. And if you're kinda crazy, learn Rust and use PV. That's velocity.y. Then play jump. Okay. Yeah, it needs to be, the animation is always playing at the next loop. An animation. No, got it. Okay, so that would be stop. Not really. Sorry, animation flyer. Such as everything. Okay. You know about C++? Like I mostly code in C, but I did code a bit in C++. Like I think a year and a half of this, I had a project in Unreal where we had to use C++ and not blueprints. So I do know a bit, but that was just very basics really. So I don't consider myself as well, developer, C++ developer. Honestly, I did code more in Rust than C++. Oh wait, by the way, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, it has. Okay, so apparently, do you have any jobs? Student doesn't count as a job. And as I don't get money as I'm streaming, I guess I have no job. Or I am doing it for free. It does count, I guess. But I wish I could get money from streaming. Maybe in a few months I get 1k subs and 4,000 hours of streams. Which I think I can make it. And the velocity.y. And so it should be like on the animation. Where is it? Animation. This. Loop. It has no loop. Oh, that's like that. Wait, that's. Is it because just I didn't save? Yeah, no. Oh, okay, okay. I think I get the thing. And we have another thing. Not, unlocked. What was it? If not is on blue, we get the jump. Velocity. That. Hey, here. Then let's play. Then yeah, okay. It is based on where the script is. Okay. and collation from some position. $500 or 50 or 20 with 10. Oh, 440. 445. 444. Oh. Yeah, like that. I don't money is, but I'm learning anytime I can. I wish I could make like some freelance even as a student, but you can try. But honestly, for people already in the job, like on freelance, they are already all saying you're there. Oh, it's really hard. You need to work a lot. You need to learn a lot. That's really hard. I mean, you can try, but as a freelancer, you will almost never make Python, honestly. You will mostly make like some sort of backend dev, maybe a bit of frontend with React, and even with Godot now, it's not really good. So I don't really know, honestly. It's kind of hard to say. But like freelancer. And it's also that Python is not that easy as a sub. I don't know, I hate Python, so I don't really know. I'd like... I'm just saying, like, I do something like that. Yeah, I think it looks better. And then I can make something that will be perfectly size equal. Like that. I don't know. We got the good things down here. I think I'm gonna keep this. So skips for the next iteration of the form while. So wait, we have this. So last thing I want to do for today, I think. Well, no, two last things. It will be to make like a double jump. And makes something like I would say button, but no, that's annoying. People which say is C++ to learn as a first programming language affected. It's a different point of view. You won't find a job in C++ right now, but it's like Python. Other than data analyst, you will never get a job in Python. So I guess C++ gives more foundation than Python, because Python is very basic and it's not really that useful other than just analytic shit. So it depends. But for sure that if you want a job, you'd better go with web dev, like learn React, learn Angular, learn TypeScript, JavaScript, Java for backend, PHP, like Laravel and Symfony. You should learn both. There's a lot of things in web. So double jump. It's time to add the animation. I'm not sticking to any pattern. I'm 100% learning. Great. Great. Double jump. Even if you don't get a job, it's always important to learn the C or C++. It gives really a lot of foundations. Like it's like just a bit. Okay. If not, wait. How can I check like if the player did jump? Maybe I can just like create a variable. I think, yeah. Did jump equal false? Did jump equal true? Wait, I'm so used to see that I'm putting like this at the end. I'm too used to it. Especially in statement after. What? What statement does it expect at the end? Who did jump equal false? Identifier. I don't get the variables. Maybe it'll just like wait a while. Is it like just did jump equal false equal true? That would be did jump equal false? Jump True. If it no, if the jump could go through. Whoa. I'm starting, I don't know how I can make this. Or maybe like create like it jump codes. I feel sad for it. So much, so hopefully you become a good and one day I can purchase you. I try my best to come to your stream. Oh, thanks. You know, I don't make it for money or for just a lot of people. I don't want to stream to like 5,000 people because it's not my job. But if one day I can get like 10 to 15 average viewers, honestly, I would be really happy. Thanks for saying it. It means a lot to me, I swear. So we have this. Maybe what I can wait. Is it like that we create variable? Because I think we will have a lot of variables, so already keep comments clean. That's gonna be the most important. Double jump instead. I think it's gonna be better like this. That was physics. What's this? Oh wait, no. We already have it at the end. That is, if is on flow. Customer relations. Just web chat and tools. Yeah, when I watch streams, I'm like, oh yeah, why is it not answering? I mean, I can understand when you have 300, 400 viewers, like it's hard to answer to all. But when you have 20 viewers, you have the time to answer. Don't need to like say. Anyway, need to update this too. Just gonna say like, if not, if it is during double jump. Yay, have a good night. Have a good night. I stream tomorrow too, so have a good night, I say. Today, that was like animation. Equally cool. Double. Jump and display. Is just return. Okay, like that. And I think we can optimize this too, just by saying, okay, we get like, not this, but like animate sprite. We get, we're gonna flip too, like before, and then say like, okay, if the velocity of x, so the x axis, is under 0, then we flip. Because we don't need like to do anything else. And do I need to update something in here too? I'm not sure. But if input at this option, just press if is unknown blue velocity that I think y or jump velocity and if it double jump velocity dot y jump velocity, of course, it double jump equal true, and place the animation. So double jump, we got so far now, and I think we're good. I can just put it like that. Oh, that's just because I had not the double jump. That's the only reason. Okay. Oh. Yeah, the animation is... I think it's working, but I'm not sure. So I think we can like just stop the animation. think that's just an error coming from this. Maybe that's just animation. But I don't know, it would be strange. Oh wait, I forgot. Yeah. It's true that I didn't disable this. Woo! Oosh. I should also change like the position of the player. Velocity at x under 0 again, and then it should work. Okay, so I think the last thing we're gonna make today is just going to be like the last animation, which will be the full animation. We have the okay, so we're just gonna like add the other animation. It's gonna be full. Add it. Full animation. Okay, get it. So we got the animation now. We have the current layer animation. And the thing we can make is now say, okay, so if not isn't full, we can place the animation for a certain amount of time. The thing is, like, how can I make the flow animation? Like, it should be something where I just get like the animation. Wait, why is it not showing? Why doesn't it want it? Is it because of this? Okay, like that. So the thing now is just to be like, okay, we have the full animation. How to make it last for a few seconds? Okay, so now we have this. And I think to make it work, the best idea I would say like, okay, so if this is not on flow, we're not gonna play this because there is a full animation too. So it would be to make something else, which is if velocity of y, which is so y velocity is under 0, I'm gonna say, okay, so we get the animation of, if it wants to, of animate, and we're gonna play the full animation. And then else we get the animation, like the play as a jump one. Okay, and now with that, wait, that's the wrong animation. Jump and then whoa. And it doesn't flip again. That flip H velocity of R X. Okay. Okay. I just need to check like one thing. Oh, it's working great. And one thing I'm wondering too is like if I make something like that, yeah, it's working in the other way. What I was talking by Orin? That's a good Godot. Orin game Orin game programming language. Oh, wait. Native is a J program. Oh, it is Rust. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm not going to use Rust because I don't want to kill myself still, but I am gonna make a video where I just explain how I am making a game. Like, I mean, it's something we've seen 100 times, 1,000, 10,000 times, but it's something that will help me a lot, and it's something I will make on stream too. And this is the most important things for me. And even if nobody is just on chat, I don't care. I'm here because I like streaming, and if nobody is watching me, then it's a life. I can't change anything like that. Okay. We have the most basic animations now. And the last thing we're gonna make for today, I think. How long has it been? It's been 2 hours. Could have been better and longer, but I've a few things to do. Items. Let's say it's gonna be fruit. Item. Collective. Item. Godot. Flower. Okay. I have other things to do. Gonna need to check that. Oh, where is it? What are we gonna make? So apple? Yeah, I think we're gonna put the apple as item. It's a decent one. It's the most basic too. So are we gonna need like to create another scene? Well, how to create another scene? Okay, so not this one. It's gonna be area touring. And animated sprites. And of course a collision, because we need the coin to be collectible. Well, the coin, it's gonna be an apple in this case. But it could be, I think. Let's say just apple. Did I? I did not. Apple. Okay. So on the area 2D. What it was body hunter. Oh, is it? Where is the body hunter? Yeah. Correct. Okay. On buddy. Buddy. Enter. It's gonna be buddy. Buddy. And we're gonna return just a void. So the area is gonna be if the buddy. First check if character buddy, of course, because we need to check. I'm just gonna say like global stat plus equal 1. Infer global stat. Buddy entered. Connect. Get the apple. Okay, so we have this one now. Do I have any animation on this? I do have animations, so I'm gonna need to do animations at a 8. We're gonna create this apple. What was it? It was assets, items, goods, and apple. Okay, with X auto slice. We add all, and we have the animation, of course. No, I'm gonna need like on the animated, the texture, it's gonna be nearest to get more clarity. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh wait, I forgot to put the scene again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Fauna will have no score. Oh, that was just... Yeah, after this, it was just like... QB. After that, it's gonna get really deleted. Collision chat. It's just gonna be a shock. Oh. Okay. Mhm. Apple. Now we're gonna name this main. So we have main and apple as a main one. We're just gonna increase the size, like just transform, and we're gonna say double it, and it's already way better. And we need like to put on the index, visible, like mask, layer, ordering, and the index 1. Up. I asked, I want the apple. I do not. Okay, just. But no else. You can just. It doesn't. What, bro? Just let me take this fucking apple. Bro. I'm just gonna insert it. That is fine. Hey. Okay, it's working. Oh, we have this one. What should I do? Because I think we do have everything for today. Like we have the main functions, we have the first two things. Is there anything I should add? Because I don't think so. Yeah, I think we have all the main things. Yeah, okay. So yeah, anyway, nobody is left on the stream, so I guess I'm just stopping it. And if someone's watching this video, have a good night.